So we've just arrived in Mara Bush Camp. It's beautiful, all new from last time when we were here. Arrived with our guests, we just had lunch and we're excited to go on our first game drive just now.
Are you ready?
Absolutely, it's about time. We're on our way to Lookout, and on the way there we found this massive herd of wildebeest deer. They look a little bit confused on which direction they want to go, but I hope to see them down by the river, and maybe today we are lucky to find them crossing. That was really epic. Patience paid off. It's still a while, but the patience really paid off. Absolutely amazing.
Last night by that leopard. Yeah, it's not that close. Yeah, maybe.
Good morning. What a fantastic and magical moment we have. Started with a little lion cub playing with mom, and then we found a male lion that's walking towards us, then found a female. It was just paired up and just walking. It was just amazing. Oh, and then the lion stood up, and the male lion stood up in the hill like the typical movie Lion King. It was just an amazing moment to be, and I just don't know. It's just how fantastic to be here. I'm very happy to be here.
We had just arrived here down at the Mara River. We came here to see if we can find some wildebeest, and we were very fortunate and quite lucky. We had a massive herd of them here.
We are early this morning with a group of photographers And we are waiting to embark on a hot air balloon journey over Masai Mara National Reserve.
Speed depends on the winds.
Having a great
We only
time.
have control of
What
up
a
and
magic
down,
moment.
which we are doing
Sun's
now.
coming out.
Down. I might change the altitude a bit
So
also.
beautiful.
Carrie, how's your hot air ballooning?
It's great.
Enjoying it? How about you, Kit?
Any day, anytime, let me go.
How was your ballooning?
Absolutely wonderful. I'm sorry that we had to land. Would not like to land. It's so nice to be in the Masai Mara, to be in the Serengeti, to be in Africa and do ballooning is a must. It must be on the bucket list of everybody. Wonderful to end with a breakfast and just enjoy life. It's too short not to do.
Good morning. We are here bright and early this morning, sitting here with beautiful 3 little hyena pups. On the right side, we're still waiting for the sunrise. Left side, we still have the moon up there. As soon as that sun is coming up and that golden light's gonna hit, I think we're gonna get some absolutely great shots.
Hi, I'm Thierry. I come from Montreal. We're at the end of a wonderful, wonderful trip in the Masai Mara with Pangolin. We've seen so many things that it's very hard to summarize all the excitement that we lived. Seeing all these lions, hyenas with their babies were really wonderful sightings. Crossing of the wildebeest with a giraffe in the middle of the river was also something very spectacular. The biggest improvement I've made is on my panning technique, and I have some scenes with lions, wildebeest, cheetahs, with quite nice blurring effects, so I'm very, very pleased with what I've learned. So altogether, it's a terrific experience. I just wish it could last longer.